Alright, welcome to the Python 3.10 Docwalk. Alright, so this is a quick introduction to the Docwalk platform. The way this works is that we are going to actually be going through the documentation one page at a time. So as recommended by the official Python documentation, we are going to be starting with the tutorial. This is not verbatim, but I will be covering everything presented on each page. If this goes well, we'll see how well it picks up. We will then move on to language reference and then to library reference. And from there, I guess we'll see where it goes. So I have been using Python for about 4 years. I am by no means an expert, but I do know my way around pretty well. I use it for machine learning and for simulations in the research that I am doing. The IDE I am using is the JetBrains IDE. You do not have to be, you don't have to use JetBrains. You don't have to use PyCharm, but you can use whichever text editor and or IDE, I guess, that you like. So that is totally up to you. We're not going to be doing anything that's specific to the IDE, or specific to PyCharm. Anything more on kind of like the underbelly of Python we'll be doing within a terminal. Another important point, I use Linux. This is a Linux system. Again, not a big deal if you're using Windows or Mac OS X, but just I thought I would let you know because there may be a few differences as far as procedure or how to handle different things, especially with the file system. Okay, here's a really quick rundown with how this is going to work. First of all, this first playlist, every video from here on through the entire documentation is going to be placed in the Python 3.10.1 playlist. So all of the original Python 3.10.1 videos will be used throughout each release of each new version of Python 3.10x, with the exception of any video that is either with each new 3.10 release, if there are any deprecations, alterations, or additions to the new release, the corresponding video will be added to the new playlist, which means sometimes we might have videos drop out, or we will replace an entire video, or even add a new video in between other videos. So in that way, we can, I can keep all of the videos that are still relevant, and I will just, copy it into the new playlist, so it will exist in multiple playlists. But in the case that a new video is necessary to explain something new or different, a new video will be created to do just that. All right, so that is that. So I will see you guys in the next video, where we will be going over the very first page of the Python tutorial, as well as the Whetting Your Appetite document. Thank you for watching. See you then.